Did the Supreme Court just say President Trump can deport people to countries they're not even from? Do I have that right, or am I misreading these articles?
No, you read it right, but it's a little bit more narrow than that. So the Supreme Court did issue a decision recently, but it was just on the injunction part. So not on the merits of whether individuals could be deported to a third country, but just while the case is being argued, like while it's being litigated, that the judge shouldn't hold it, like hold the deportations. And it's also narrowed in the Supreme Court case, it dealt with somebody that had a removal order and had something called withholding of removal, where they would show it's more likely than not that they would be tortured in their home country. Like they already won that trial. And then the government changed the actual place of removal to a third country. What the attorneys argued for the individual in deportation was, hey, we should get a notice and an ability just to even argue, right? That whether I could be tortured in a third country like Libya, for example. And that's what the judges put on hold, those deportations, and the Supreme Court lifted that hold while the rest of the case is still being argued. So not on the merits, but just on the hold of not deporting individuals to a third country when they have a removal order.